What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be replacing the case with my key fob. This is the key for my BMW X5 E70 non-comfort access. So this key fob is completely sealed all around. The only way to open it is to crack it open. So I'm going to cut it open today, take out the electronic portion of the remote and swap it into one that I got off Amazon. Bring me the key fob. Thank you. So we are going to be swapping out the parts from here, putting it in this one. The reviews look good. I'll put a link in the description. People say it's an original key fob case, so we'll see. I mean, it does feels good, doesn't feel cheap. This one can actually you can open it up by prying it open. But let's get to it. So I'm gonna split the old key fob with this razor. I already started on this edge. Like, my remote is already peeling off, got plastic pieces that are coming off. So let me go ahead and finish opening this and I'll be back. Okay, I got it open. So what you're going to want to do is just carefully go along the line all around the key fob. Try not to go too deep. And go all the way around until it splits open. And this is what it looks like. If you're having issues with the battery, now will be a good time to replace it. So let's get the other key open. Okay, so I got both of the cases here. Do a little quick comparison. There's very small details that are different, but overall, I mean, it looks basically the same. And then there's some numbers in here. Can't really get the camera to zoom in, but there's numbers here and numbers there, and those numbers match up. P812 GF 30-2. So then we'll take a look at the back here. This one's already faded, but you can barely see. So far, I mean, this case looks legit. So let's go ahead and put the electronics in. So if these guys would want to change the battery out, you would remove these two solder points here, get the new battery, and just resolder it on here. My battery's fine, so I'm not gonna do that. And they do have the battery on Amazon, in case you're wondering. So let's go ahead and put this back together. Alright, I got the remote in. You just basically grab it with the battery facing down this way. Battery goes there. Just kind of goes on there, and then this piece just snaps on. That's basically it. Let's take a quick look at the key. So this is obviously the original key. This is the uncut key.
I knew it.
Material pretty much looks the same. This one is a bit faded. I'm not gonna put this in the new case. I'm gonna just keep this as a spare, and I'm gonna actually go get this key cut. So I'm gonna have the remote like this for a while, but there it is. And let's go ahead and, can you remove this tape from your buddy?
Yep.
Take that black tape off.
And I'm doing downers. Is it recording on my hands?
Yeah, I'm recording your hands.
And there you go, guys. The tape is off.
Okay, so here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. And let's go take a quick video, make sure everything still works. Alright, we're in the garage, and here we go.
Pretty good.
Unlock. Trunk. All is working. So overall, pretty satisfied with it. Feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. The buttons feel firm. I'm not so sure about the little button, but we'll see how it holds out. I'll end up updating this video. I got the style 259s on Dunlops. I'm gonna end up making a little video, little review of my X5. I got a few modifications. Got the muffler delete. That video is actually on my page, so if you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the description. I got aftermarket sound, some kicker. I have the CIC retrofit navigation, a few other things, so I'll end up making a video about that. Until next time, peace.